This is a review on the H&K USP CO2 pistol. It comes with the gun itself, instruction booklet, tells you all about the gun, what not to shoot, all that. Comes with a key and the magazine. CO2 is not included, so you can buy cartridges like this, and usually come in a pack like this. Can come in more than 5. Okay. To put the CO2 in, you put it in here, down here, and you twist. Put the CO2 in, twist it back. I'm not going to do that because it's a full CO2. It holds 16 rounds in a magazine, and it's a pretty nice feeling magazine. It's non-blowback. This is just something that does nothing. It's got the safety is right here. It's got a nice feel to it. Fire with the CO2 USP pistol at 25 feet. As you can see,
you broke the plastic.
It is quite powerful and accurate. Now we're going to pause, reload, and take another shot where I'm actually going to aim, because that was just to see how fast you can fire and how accurate. So that first test was kind of more of a speed test than a accuracy test. So here's an accuracy test now.
Getting out of the way.
Oh, it's on safety. Alright, now, I hit, all the targets were hit, but it's quite windy where we're at, and as you can see, it's got a pretty tight grouping. Only 2 of them didn't go in, or 3 of them didn't go inside. But other than that, I really recommend this gun. It's at Walmart for $40, and that's